Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make this paper boomerang. This is a very easy model and the only materials you need are an A4 sheet and some tape. Our first step is to fold the paper in half. Next, we unfold it. Then we fold the bottom and top sides to the middle. Fold it to the middle again. And then fold it in half. Now we are going to fold half of the paper to the side, creating the boomerang's angle. To do this, just reverse the middle crease on the top half, like this, and press the paper to fold. Now that we have this done, we'll have to tape everything to make it more resistant. If you want to throw it with your right hand, you need to curve the paper a bit on these two corners here. If you want to throw it with your left hand, you'll need to curve the paper on the opposite corners. How much you curve or bend the paper can vary a bit, depending on the size of the boomerang, on how hard you throw it. So I recommend curving it just a little, like this, then you can adjust it later if needed. Once this part is done, you'll need to practice a lot until you find the correct throwing angle, the necessary force, and whether you need to curve the corners a bit more or less. But after a bit of practice, it becomes really easy to throw and you have a lot of fun. Thank you so much for watching, see you next time!